This is an underground test, with Nexus, 42-inch, and 30-inch, concentric carbon fiber, surge coils, on GPX4500. Coils are switched to mono. GPX front panel settings, mono. Fixed. Normal. Deep. GPX back panel settings, FP. 1 kilogram hoard, of small Roman bronze coins, with the top layer, buried, 85 centimeters, deep. Watch the process, of burying this hoard, in the link below. The hoard is detected, a further 10 centimeters, above the ground. The hoard is detected, a further 35 centimeters, above the ground. Hammered copper bucket, with a diameter of 18 centimeters, buried, 1 meter deep. The copper bucket is detected, a further 28 centimeters, above the ground. The copper bucket is detected, a further 42 centimeters, above the ground.